on grade 2.
Hmm.
The circle above is cut into equal shares, which word describes each share of the circle. So it is cut into equal shares and two equal shares. So one of the shares will be called as half.
Half.
Yep. 1/4 is a quarter, and 1/3 is only it divided into three pieces, and one of that pieces is 1/3.
Okay, so when something is cut into two equal parts, then it's half.
Yeah.
If it is cut into three equal parts, then fourth, and then
No, third.
okay, right, third. Okay.
Next question. The two children will share the sandwich. Which
Okay.
picture shows the sandwich split
Split
into
into
equal shares? So we need to find the half of it. So it's equal.
I think it's W because W shows two equal shares. If you keep them one above another, they'll fit exactly.
Yeah.
X, the right portion is big, the left portion is small.
Yeah, and in the Y, the line is much more downer, so it
The
can't
upper
be correct.
portion is big.
Yeah, and here it's like the half, it's a bit more higher than that.
So in shape Z, the above portion is cutting from the middle, but above portion is not exactly same as the lower portion.
Yeah.
So we will go with W.
Yeah, let's go. WN. Wait.
Which picture shows us into two? Which pictures? So we'll go with W and Z.
Yeah, WN Z.
Yeah. Z is like almost.
Yeah. Let's
Some.
try. Right.
Hmm.
The cookie is cut in equal shares. What answer choose names the shares of the cookie as a whole?
What answer choice names the shares of the cookies as a whole?
So like it's two halves
Two
because
halves.
one half and another half that equals to this. Even though others are correct, it's not shown in the picture.
Okay, so cookie is just cut into two halves.
Yeah. A shape is split into thirds. How many equal parts is it split into? If it's thirds, that means it's equal to three parts.
Three parts, right.
The pie is cut in equal shares. What choice names the shares of the pie as a whole? So it's 4/4 because one of the piece is a quarter.
Quarter. It's cut into four equal shares.
Which shape are split into equal shares? So equal shares. So it looks like W and Z are equal shares because W makes a half here and Z makes some quarters, and they are both are equal shares. But I think X is also one of the answers. How can we?
Yeah.
I think we should do Z and X.
W is also equal shares. It's two halves equally distributed, and X
and also Z.
Z.
How can?
Okay.
Now what can we do?
Okay, let's see. I don't think it's W. It's X and Z.
Okay then.
Because we are not sure W is a exact square or not. Okay. It can be a rectangle.
Yeah, it also looks a bit more. And what is this?
We'll just go to next one. Okay. Use the drawing tool to form the correct answer on the provided rectangle. So you split this rectangle into three equal shares. Okay. Draw two lines to show another way to split the same rectangle into three equal shares. Okay.
So we need to draw a line.
This one?
Can I? So we can make X's like this. And then we can make Y's 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 like this.
No, you have to go for 3 equal shares.
Oh, equal. I think so. This is a good way.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 3 equal shares.
So here we are dividing, in this one we are dividing horizontally, and the above one, the blue one, it's divided vertically. Okay. Here also it's divided into 3 equal shares. Here also it's divided into 3 equal shares. But one way to divide it is vertically, the other way to divide it is horizontally. Okay.
I think there's no other way. The large shape is one whole. What is
The
area of each piece of the whole? So it's called 1/3 of the whole.
Yeah. Because the thing is,
it's divided into 3 parts.
3 parts, right?
A shape is split into 4. How many equal parts is it split into? 4.
4.
So quarters, there can only be 4. The rectangle is cut into equal shares. What is an answer choice? Name the shares of the rectangle as a whole. So one of these is called as a 3/3. So there are 3 of the 3/3. I think we should end the session.
Shaded.
So first we'll find out the denominator. The denominator means how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
and 4
7,
others, so 8.
Yeah, 8. So one of the parts is shaded.
Out of 8.
Yeah, so one is the numerator. So how many parts are taken from the 8? So that's the numerator.
So one part is shaded out of total 8 parts, okay?
Yeah. So one part is gonna be the numerator.
What fraction of the circle is shaded?
So it's divided into quarters, so there are 4. So one is shaded. So this is called 1/4. Numerator 1 and
so one is shaded out of 4 parts.
Yeah, and denominator is 4. Next question. What fraction of the rectangle is shaded? So there is 4 on the first side, so 8 in total, and then 3 are taken away. So 3 by
3 are
8.
shaded out of 8 total.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like divided. The rectangle above is split into equal parts. How big is
each part
of the rectangle? It's 1/4.
Each part is 1 part out of 4 equal parts.
Yeah.
So Marco painted 2/4 of a rectangular wall. That means if we divide wall into 4 equal parts, he painted 2 parts. Yeah. The model shows the fraction of the wall he painted, right?
Yeah.
What does 2/4 means?
2/4 means there are 4 parts and each of size is 1/2. This is wrong. There are 2 parts each. No, there are 4 parts and each of size 2. 2 parts each of the size is 4. I think we should go with C.
Okay, let's try. I think it's a little confusing. Let's try. So there are 4 parts total.
Let's.
It means 2 parts, each of size 1/4.
Okay.
So it's actually, there are 2 parts and each is 1/4. Like this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4. Okay.
Hey, that is correct.
Okay.
What fraction of the rectangle is shaded? So there are 6 in total, and 1 is taken away. So
1 is shaded.
1/6. what fraction of the shape is shaded? So there are 3 rectangles shaded. So the numerator should be 3 and there are 8.
Total of 8.
Yeah, it can't be 5 because it's not an odd number.
Type the correct answer in the box. Use numerals instead of words. If necessary, use slash for the fraction bar. A pizza is split into 8 equal slices. Okay, 3 friends will each eat one slice. Okay, what fraction of pizza will they eat in all?
So I think it will be 3 by 8.
Very good. Yeah. So one will eat 1 by 8. The second friend will eat the another 1 by 8. The third friend will eat another 1 by 8.
So it will
So
be
we'll say 1 by 8.
3 are shaded off.
Hmm.
So 3 are divided from the 8. So 3
Good.
by 8.
Very
Oh
good.
yeah. What fraction of the rectangle is shaded? So it's 1 by 4.
Correct. Oh, that's a lot of pictures.
Jason needs to sort.
Drag each fraction model to the correct category. Not all fraction models will be used. Jason needs to sort these fraction models by denominator. Put each model in the correct category. Okay. So there are 2 boxes. One with denominator is 4. Another is denominator is 6. Denominator is the lower portion of fraction.
So I know this will fall in the denominator 6.
Okay.
Let's first build the denominator 6. Let's find out the denominator that should be 6. I think this is 8, so it can't be 4 or. This is perfect.
Okay, so this goes in 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try this one.
This
The
one?
orange one. Yes.
Okay. This
No,
goes in
no.
6.
No, let's find out if it goes. There is 3 and 3. Yes.
6. Perfect.
6. Perfect.
Anything
Let's
else?
just check this one. Otherwise, there's no other.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total of 8 parts. So denominator is 8.
This can't be. Now we know that these are the 4s. One moment. These.
So denominator is basically the number of parts in which it is divided.
Yeah. This is actually 2 and this is 8 and 8 we know.
Okay, so can you tell me the fraction of this one?
So the fraction will be 4 by 8.
Very good. Can you tell me the fraction of this one?
The fraction will be 6 by 8.
And that one?
1 by 2.
Good. Okay.
Yay.
Equal shares.
What answer choice names the shares of the gift paper as a whole? So we need to find out what is this. Then we can say 2 of these. So this is 1 half.
Okay.
So 2 halves.
2 halves, right?
Yeah. The circle is cut into in equal shares. What answer choice names the shares of the circle as a whole? So there are 4 quarters. So there will be 4 fourths. So if we join 2 quarters, it makes 1 half, and 3/3 is a bit bigger than 4 quarters.
Okay, so 4 fourths.
Yeah. The rectangle above is cut into equal shares. Which word describes each share of the rectangle? So there is 4 and
right?
1/4 is taken. The large shape is one whole. What is the area of each piece in the whole? So this should be an quarter. 1/4 of a whole should be the answer. three children will share
this
this
granular bar,
bar.
which picture shows the granular bar splits into equal shares. We have to split into three.
X and Z.
Okay.
Let's enter.
X and Z, right?
Yeah. Y. Look at this circle. Finish the sentence about the circle. The circle is split into 4 equal shares. Each share is a fourth of the whole. So this is split into 4 equal parts, as you can see. 1/4 is here, 1/4 is here, 1/4 is here, and 1/4 is here. So it equals to 4 in all. And as we know, this is in quarter. Another name for it is as a fourth. So fourth will come here. So I think this is the correct answer. A shape is split into 3 equal parts. What is the name of each part? So one part is equal to a third because it's split into 3 equal parts. If we split an whole into 4 equal parts, it's mainly an fourth. If there's any shape, that's only one whole. If we're splitting it even, it's a whole. A half is actually only 2 pieces, but we need 3 pieces. So let's go with the third. That's the fourth answer. A shape is split into 4 equal parts. What is the name of each part? 1/2, as we know. I meant 1/4, sorry.
1/4.
Yeah. You can also call it as a quarter. What shape are split into equal shares?
X
and Z. Because X is, this is one whole piece, and it is the same size as the others. This is one whole piece, okay, right?
W.
Yes, but it's not as
all the pieces are not equal.
Yeah, all the pieces
in
are not
area.
equal. See, this is smaller, this gets a bit bigger, and this is huger. This doesn't feel like it's correct. So, because it has a thin line that comes into the middle, so it also makes it others also smaller. Okay. So this feels correct also because it's like twisting the X shape. The circle is cut into equal shares. What answer choice names the share of the circle as a whole? 3/3. So if we make it as a quarter, the quarter will come over here. And it's gonna be divided into 4 equal parts. 2 halves will make it into 2 pieces. So 3/3. See. And Sachin. Thank you guys. Fraction 1/6 has 1 at the top and 6 at the bottom. Which one of these is 1/6? So 6 at the bottom and 1 at the top. So this means 1/6. 1 the numerator goes up. Yeah, that means 1 part is taken out of 6 parts, the denominator. Let's sum it. The fraction 7/9 has 7 at the top and 9 at the bottom. Which one of these are 9? Yeah. So 7 the numerator and 9 the denominator. Yeah. Numerator means how many pieces are taken, and denominator means how many pieces are there. The bottom number of the fraction is called denominator. Which one of the fraction has the denominator as of 11? Let's go with the first one.
So this one, right? Denominator means what comes below.
Yeah. But it's mainly how many pieces are there.
Or in how many parts something is divided.
Yeah. Which of the two fractions is smaller? Which of the two fractions?
This one will be smaller, I think.
Yeah, because it's 4 by 8. I think we need to scroll down. One question is 4 by 8.
Because it's only 4 parts. The
Yeah.
5 part will be bigger because
Yeah.
5 is more than 4.
Yeah. Which one of these fraction is 7/10? Which one of is it?
7th 10. 7 10.
So 10 will be the denominator and 7 will be the numerator. 7 pieces taken out of 10 pieces. 3 by 6.
3 by 6 is smaller, right? Because it's only 3 pieces out of total 6, and this
5
one is 5.
2 more than 6. I meant 3. What fraction of the circle is shaded? So first we should find out how many pieces are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then plus
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
plus 1. Okay, 9. So 2 pieces taken out of 9. Like dividing. 2 pieces taken out of 9, so it's dividing or maybe subtracting. Which fraction of the circle is shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 pieces. And 5 are taken. This one, let's Google. Numerator 5, denominator 8. What fraction of the circle is shaded? So 3 over this side and 3 over here. 6.
7.
Plus 1 more 7. So it is
6 by 7.
6 by 7. Each fraction describes the shaded part of the one circle. Drag the fraction into the correct box.
B is 5 by 8, right?
Yeah, B is 5 by 8 and C is 2 by 5. Yeah. Bye guys.